Hello students, welcome to BioWise with Achal. Now yesterday I hope you all have gone through all the definitions. It will be good if you write those definitions because after correcting the papers and seeing so many students writing the papers, the main problem is the spellings. So for this video, you will not get the PDF very soon. So you are going to write the answers first. And it's a very short video of abbreviations. There are only 45 abbreviations in the entire textbook. So you are going to write it. Let me see how many of you all know the correct spellings. So let us begin with the abbreviations. Okay. Now the first one, that is from the structure of chromosome, cell cycle and cell division chapter, DNA and RNA. Okay. So you can take your time to write. DNA, what is the full form of DNA? What is the full form of RNA? Yes, DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is ribonucleic acid. See here, deoxyribonucleic acid. It is DE, not DI. If it is DI, then it becomes 2, di. But here it is deoxy. Oxygen is absent in the ribose sugar of DNA. So it is deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. Next chapter, that is photosynthesis. In the other chapters, there are the abbreviations are not there, so I've not included them. The next chapter, photosynthesis. In this, we have these many words. What is PI? We have used PI like ATP breaks down into ADP and PI and releases lot amount of energy. Similarly, ADP and PI combines in the presence of light. I hope you know photophosphorylation. That helps in the formation of ATP. NADP and NADPH. So what is the full form? PI is inorganic phosphate. ADP is adenosine diphosphate. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. NADP is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. And when H is added to it, it means it is a reduced form. You know in chemistry, right? Hydrogen is added, that is in the reduced form. So either you write nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen or reduced NADP. So it will be better you go with the alphabets and you write nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen. Moving to the next chapter, that is chemical coordination, you have these ABA, IAA and GA. ABA is abscisic acid. IAA is indole 3 acetic acid. Do not forget to write 3, otherwise no marks. Then GA is gibberellic acid. Okay, gibberellic acid. I hope you have written this. Next one is the circulatory system. In circulatory system, you have some abbreviations. Now, RBC, red blood cells, corpuscles also can be written. Red blood cells can also be written. WBC, white blood cells. SAN, sino-arterial node, that is your natural pacemaker. AVN, atrioventricular node, that is present at the beginning of the right ventricle, that passes the impulse to the bundle of His, and that further passes to Purkinje fibers and brings about the ventricular systole. Then HbO2 is oxyhemoglobin, HbCO2 is carbaminohemoglobin, and HbCO, that is carbon monoxide, is carboxyhemoglobin. Next chapter, excretory system, you have PCT, DCT, ADH, ORS. I hope you know the abbreviations, full form of all these words. PCT is proximal convoluted tubule. DCT is distal convoluted tubule. ADH is antidiuretic hormone. ORS is oral rehydration solution. Next chapter is the nervous system. You have, how many of you all know the full forms? Write in the comment section. Out of these 5, how many you know with the correct spelling? Write in the comment section. Right? CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, the fluid present in the meninges around your brain and the spinal cord. CNS, central nervous system. ANS, autonomic nervous system. PNS, peripheral nervous system. And SNS is somatic nervous system. Be specific with the spelling. It's not autonomous or it is not automatic. It is autonomic. Next one is the endocrine system. It has around, you can see, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. So how many of you are aware of out of 8? Write in the comment section. What is GH, TSH, ACTH, FSH, LH, TRH, ADH, MSH? So it is growth hormone, TSH is thyroid stimulating hormone. Write down in the comment section with the numbers, right? Number is given 27, 28. Which are the glands which synthesizes these hormones? Okay. Let me see how many of you are aware. Who synthesizes which gland synthesizes growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, ACTH hormone, FSH, LH, then TRH. Which gland synthesizes all these? 29, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone. FSH is follicle stimulating hormone. LH is luteinizing hormone. TRH is thyroid releasing hormone. This is not by the endocrine system, but it is by the hypothalamus, which initiates or you can say, which triggers the pituitary to release thyroid stimulating hormone, which again goes and triggers thyroid to release thyroxine. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. MSH, that is melanocyte stimulating hormone. So these are all the full forms from the chapter endocrine system. Moving to the next, the reproductive system. In this, you have IUD, which is intrauterine device. MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Now, HIV full form is not given in your textbook, but the short form is mentioned in your textbook. So I have given it the full form also. AIDS, this again, the full form is not given in the textbook, but the short form is given. So I have given you the full forms. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, right? Moving to the next, that is your pollution chapter, a rising environment problem. Here you have got few important ones. Generally, people get confused with the initial chapters because they give lots of emphasis for the beginning, the chapters that you have just come across. This chapter is very important for your board examination. First, it's day-to-day happening. What are the real threats that is happening on Earth? So many competency-based questions can be prepared on this chapter. So be thorough with the chapters, each and every line. Okay, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, a cleaner fuel. Then CNG is compressed natural gas. DDT is dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Where have you studied this? In biomagnification. Now, DDT biomagnification has led to the fall in the population of the seabirds because of the spray of DDT to kill mosquitoes on the water areas. I hope you remember that. ODF, open defecation free, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan objective. So we have already attained the objective. This is an achievement of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that most of the rural areas of India is now open defecation free. Okay, so this is a great achievement. Then you have CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, that is responsible for ozone depletion. Do not get confused with ozone depletion, global warming, right? Greenhouse effect, BS, that is Bharat stage, that is Euro vehicular standards, and 3Rs, reduce, reuse, and recycle. So these are all the 45 short forms that are there in your textbook and that you must know. Okay, now write in the comment section that how many of you are aware of all the 45. Right there, I am aware of all the 45 short forms. Right, so congratulations, you have mastered 45 abbreviations for the board examination from DNA to DDT and beyond. So be connected with BioWise with Achal. Happy learning, children. Thank you.